Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we are going to discuss about another very important topic of Angular, that is pipe. In previous session, we discussed about the theoretical thing regarding the pipes, like we discussed what is pipe, why do we use pipe, and what are the merits or demerits of using pipe, right? So this session is in the continuation of the same, where we are going to talk about the examples of pipes. We will explore one by one all those predefined pipes that are already available in Angular. So we will see how to utilize it, what all modules we are supposed to use there. Okay, so these are all things we are going to discuss in today's session. But before we proceed further with this session, I would like to recommend you to please go and check out the previously released session first, because they all are in proper sequence and sync. So if you follow them sequentially, then it would be much more easier for you to understand the ongoing topic and to implement this in your Angular projects. Okay, alright, so let's get started. So first thing that we are going to do here is to discuss the agenda, like what we are going to do. Okay, so firstly let's go to app.component.html file. Here you can see we are already having this heading, which is Angular 19 course by Tech Sharmit. So after that we will simply write here another heading where we will write the agenda topic, and today's topic is learning lowercase and uppercase, learning lowercase and uppercase pipes in Angular. So this is our main topic for the day. Okay, now our requirement is that what we are going to do, we are going to create three variables in component.ts file. So let's go there, and here we will create three variables where we have first variable as title1, which holds the name like this, Tech Sharmit, with all lowercase. Okay, then we have second variable with the name title2, which will hold the same thing but in all capital letter. Okay, so this is the second thing, title1, title2. The third thing is title3, where we will put the same thing but in mixed case. It somewhere it is capital, somewhere it is small. Okay, like this. So something like this. Okay, so we have something capital, something small, maybe we can make it capital again. Okay, so this is the thing. Now our requirement is that in variable we have got this thing, but while printing these things on the screen on the browser, I want to make sure that title1 is printed as complete capital letter word. Okay, title2 should be printed as complete lowercase, and title3 should be able to convert in both uppercase as well as lowercase. So this is our requirement. I'll make it very simple for you. One by one we will make the changes and we will apply the things. So firstly we will print it as it is. So let's go here, write h3, or maybe we can write paragraph so that it would be easy for to explain. Okay, so this is the paragraph. Here we will print title1 without pipe. Okay, so this is our first thing, title1 without pipe. Here we will simply print title1. Perfect. Likewise we will print the title2. So paragraph, here we will write title. Okay, let's go one by one, otherwise you might get confused. So title1 without pipe. So let's see how it looks. So ng serve -- open, enter. So it will check the code, and after checking it, it will show you the output, which is coming like this: Angular 19 course by Tech Sharmit, learning lowercase and uppercase pipes in Angular, title1 without pipe, Tech Sharmit. Okay, so this is coming without pipe as it is. Now as per our requirement, I want to convert this entire text to the capital letters, and for that what we will do, we will simply mention something like this. So to implement this, you should go for app.component.ts file, and in ts file we will declare one module, because these all pipes comes with the these all pipes come with Angular common module. So here we will write common module and enter. So once you write this thing, it will automatically add this common module in the line number 1. You can see if it is not there, you should write it as it is, otherwise it won't work. Okay, now if you take your mouse cursor on it, it will show you that it exports the basic Angular directives and the pipes. So we need pipes, right? So that's why we have imported this module. Now the next thing is, we will simply go to app.component.html file. Here, to use the pipe, it is very simple. You just need to write take one space here, then pipe operator, and after this you will write just simply uppercase. Perfect. So this is ready. Now see the output. In output you can see this time, okay, let me do one thing. Let's make it another paragraph, otherwise you will not be able to see the difference of both. So here we will write it again, and this time we will write title 2 with upper case pipe. Okay, then colon, and after a colon you will write double curly braces, and in this double curly braces we will write title 1, sorry, it should be title 1 here, yeah, and then we will put pipe operator, and after this we will write here uppercase. Now save it and refresh it. So you can easily see the difference between these two. In the first one, where we are not using the pipe symbol, it is coming as Sharmit, but in the second one, where we are using the upper pipe, it is coming as a capital letters with all Sharmit in a capital letters. Clear? So I think this part is clear to all of you. Now the next thing is, we are going to do another example where we have different variable which holds complete capital letters. So in that case, what will happen? Let's see. So here I will add the paragraph, and I'm doing it separately because I just want to make sure that all those even who are recently started with the Angular, they can also relate it. Even if someone is from the non-technical background, they can also relate it. Okay, so here we will write here title 2 without lowercase pipe. Okay, then colon, then double curly braces, and here we will write title 2 as it is. So currently it is coming with the capital letters, but our requirement is here to convert it to the lowercase. In above case we were having the actual value as in lowercase, but we converted it to capital letters, but this time we have the values in capital letters and we want to convert it to lowercase. Okay, so you just need to simply write here paragraph tag, p tag, and in p tag we will write title 2 with, and this here we will write upper case with let me write it without pipe, because here we are not applying anything, and here we are applying the lowercase. So we will simply write here lowercase, then colon and double curly braces. Inside this we will write title 2 pipe symbol, and then we will write here lowercase. Perfect. Now you can save it and refresh it. So you can see the clear difference between these examples. In the first one we were not using any pipe and the text were in the small cases, but when we applied the uppercase pipe, it converted it to the capital letters. But in case of second title, we were having the actual value into capital letters and we converted it with the pipes into the small case with the help of lowercase pipe. Clear? Now one more thing I want to show you, that is related to mixed case, because some of you might be thinking like how it will work with the mixed case. So in that case, let's see how it works. So we will add right like this, title 2 with without pipe. Okay, so first thing is without pipe, where we will just show the actual values. So we will write here title 3. Perfect. So it is coming like this. Okay, mixed case, but here we can apply both things. Let me show you how. So let's say if I want title 3 title 3 with pipe with uppercase, okay, colon, curly braces, double curly braces, and inside this we will write title hyphen 3 uppercase. Okay, so this is how it looks. It converted it to the uppercase. In the same way, if someone wants to convert the mixed case into the lowercase, so they can simply go here and change it to the lowercase. That's it. Okay, so I hope this is the simple explanation. I think now most of you already know the meaning of these all cases. And yeah, one more thing, like if you are thinking like, will it is this the case sensitive or not? So yes, it is completely case sensitive. If you try to go with capital U, it will show you this error. Why? Because no pipe is available with a capital U. So make sure to put it in the same case. This part is case sensitive. Clear? So yeah, that's all for today. See you in the next session with new topics. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.